They also then wanted to say, all right, so if that's a leading cause, an important cause of stroke in young adults, well, there's nearly 100 million annual chiropractic cervical manipulations performed in the United States, and the word on the street is chiropractic cervical adjustments cause strokes, which again, there have been, I think, another 40 plus studies, both from the actual physiological mechanisms and biomechanics of the adjustment, all the way through insurance retrospective data showing that that's not really true. They're at best a correlation, and that correlation is still extremely rare, which hint, hint, the study already shows. Given the very high number of manipulations performed annually, the absolute risk of cervical artery dissection with manipulation is extremely low.